fucking idiots. I get a view of me every time I want it.
How can I get your fat head in the view?
Ready?
I'll tell you when. Now.
Fucking missed it.
Idiot. Oh, they're getting a rally going. You missed it again.
You got fucking harder.
Now. No.
Yeah. You guys are very wrong. They're like kids as well. Proper young. I'm going to home shower, yeah?
Yeah, they're looking. Try not to look. Watch how we let him sober.
Right, she's serving now. I was like, no. Oh, how did you miss it? You record it. You're shit. You record it.
No. I've got this.
'cause you've
I've got
got
this.
better
I've got
view.
this now. So can I practice one?
No, I don't know. Practice one. Ready?
You can't fucking hit me. Is that why they're looking?
Yeah, look away, look away, look away.
Yeah, take it easy, Baz.
How is he going to do it?
Yeah.
Uzi?
Yeah.
Hey, Baz. I'm going to go home now.
Go on, go on. Oh, you missed it.
Oh, this is it. Smash it.
Uzi. Uzi.
Look.
Oh, shit.
Uzi, listen. Uzi, listen.
Yeah.
Listen. Listen. Basically, do you want to go hookers?
Yeah.
We'll go hookers. Baz got off my brother. He goes, he can go home. So,
Why?
Come.
Where's Hassan
And
going?
he goes, he wants to go home and shower. And then as you said, Link was there as well. So we just go now. Me, you, Abdul, Niki. Go for go.
Oh yeah, oi, get my wallet and my...
Oh yeah, my wallet and thing is off in the dashboard.
You're gonna go home, shower up again.
Oh, go get in the car, man. Come on.
She said something.
What did she say?
What did he say?
It's getting a bit much now. Get in the car, man.
He's getting a bit what?
Ask him to text both of us.
Rehan. What?
Just text me.
Hey, Abdul, get in the car.
I'm telling you now. This is what we're gonna do.
Go on.
We're gonna go hook at the show.
Yeah, text me.
Yeah.
When she buys or whenever anyone gets it, then we'll come link with them.
Alright, so we'll be watching the film tonight, innit?
Yeah, watch.